Hello everyone, welcome KhanPedia. Today video I will try to explain how we can delete or remove resume from our LinkedIn profile. So let's start. Open your browser. As you can see, this is my LinkedIn profile. Simply I will click on logo, it's called me, and after that I will click on setting and privacy, and simply I will click on here data privacy here, and after that I will scroll down, and as you can see job seeking preferences here, and I will click on job application setting. Here, as you can see, there are several resumes that I upload on my LinkedIn profile. For example, I want to delete my previous resume and I want to upload news. As you can see, simply I will click on delete. I will click on delete and I will click on delete. As you can see, I can delete my all old resume from my LinkedIn profile. It's quite easy. As you can see, I delete my almost all resume from here. So you can upload or delete your resume on your LinkedIn profile in few steps. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my content, give a thumbs up. Thank you.